Well, hi there. Welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. So, should I price my cleaning jobs high so I make good money? I've heard this from time to time. You may have seen this online in discussion groups. It expresses this feeling when someone says, I really provide good quality service. I'm going to really price this job high so I make good money. And the question, of course, is what do you mean by good money? If by good money you mean premium money, that's one thing. But if on the other hand you mean good money, meaning kind of outrageously high, kind of ridiculously high, very unusual, maybe a better word is unusually high, well, that may be different. Why? Well, I had done a video some time ago called Bid to Retire. Sometimes you see the price on a bid and you're working with someone and it's as if they suspended reality. They didn't want to see or hear really kind of competition or anything else. And I understand that. But the thing is, we do live in a world of other cleaning companies. And some of them are good. Many are not, but many are good companies. And you're going to be competing with them. And so when we bid, and maybe it's something you want to consider, we tried to price our services, and we felt very good about our services. The actual quality, the training, the supervision, the management, the reliability, the customer service, all the additional services. We really thought we had a premium service and we priced it accordingly. And the other thing is when you do it that way, it's scalable because we landed a lot of jobs, not every job. We were not always selected. We were not the cheapest around, but we got enough of them that we made money. And secondly, the other thing is sometimes there's companies that go out to bid once a year or once every couple of years. And if they bring in 3 or 4 proposals and they've researched it and they know they're good companies and that they see that they're paying twice what they could be paying, well, that building owner, they have a business to run too, and they're trying to keep their expenses in line. I'm not saying don't get paid good money, but just hopefully make sure, I think, that the definition of good money is premium money for premium services, not outrageous money that would maybe leave you not either getting the job or being vulnerable down the road. Hope that makes sense. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.